Hi guys, welcome to another one of our short videos. Today I want to take you around some modifications which we've made to a L322 Range Rover. So we do an awful lot of these, but it just struck me that we've never made a video. So here goes. Let's give you an explanation of what we can do to it in terms of the connectivity and multimedia. So here we've got a lovely example, and they are a lovely car, primarily let down by the connectivity, like most cars that are just slightly older. So this car had Logic 7. As you can see from the speaker grill there. What we've done is added full Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, DAB radio, Bluetooth audio streaming, everything really. And it's all done with this Pioneer flagship unit, which also has built-in navigation. We've got a fairly unique panel that we use here, and actually what's difficult to see is the paint finish. So we've had all this paint made so that rather than being finished in matte black like the others you see, it matches the rest of the dashboard. So it's very funky. This unit's got CD player, DVD player. If you haven't seen Apple CarPlay, it's a method of connecting your Apple phone and giving you things like Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze, TomTom, text messaging, Siri. Your calendar is now on here, phone calls, everything is made using Siri. You've got voice operation that's available all the time. If you want to put a DVD in this unit, you just hit the button here and it's all motorised. It comes down like this. So that's quite clever. So we've bypassed the Logic 7 in this car by adding a separate amplifier, a more powerful amplifier to run the factory subwoofer. So we've improved the sound quality and given it quite a bit more oomph as well, which is nice. We've retained the steering wheel control, so all of those work as they would have done originally. We've also added three USBs in this case in the armrest. So we've added USB 1 and USB 2, which are related to the Pioneer unit, but we've also added a high current USB. That's just something that customers specified. Now this car had rear entertainment, they don't all, but I just want to show you what we've done here. We've managed to retain the rear entertainment system functionality, so that's a little bit tricky, but we've managed to do that. So the DVD changer is still functioning in the back, that's the factory DVD changer. But a little bit cooler than that, where this used to have a fairly useless sort of AV input there, we've converted that to HDMI. So now what we have is a high HDMI input and a second USB charging point. So that would enable you to stream video to the rear screens from something like, you could use an Apple Lightning to HDMI converter. They're about 50 quid from the Apple store. Then you can stream all of your content from your mobile phone through the rear entertainment. You've got individual viewing, so you can watch one thing on one screen, something different on the other. One thing to stress, it's really, really important that you have your original remote control. If you don't have your original remote control, then we can't do this, okay? So you have to have your original remote control. So there you go. If you've got an L322 and you fancy some serious connectivity modification to bring it really up to spec, then just drop us a line, 01279 757 218. Take a look on our website because I have written all of this up. So this is all written up in great detail on the website. We've also added witness cameras incidentally to this vehicle, so it happens to be the Thinkware in this case. This is the Thinkware Q800. It's an awesome camera, front and rear, true parking mode. Really gives you some added protection. Now you can see the little microphone. There you can see me. Hello. So there you go, hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to follow us on YouTube. We post lots of these videos, they're all pretty informative, especially if you're into this kind of stuff. Have a nice evening.